This club is actually a lot like a youth gang, isn't it? And that
all we're doing is selling Girl Guide cookies.
It was a lesson on how the legal system works.
I'm going to put to you that, in fact, it's much more than just selling cookies. That you're actually roaming the streets of Kelowna, performing all types of ghastly deeds, aren't you?
And while it was a lighthearted and entertaining look at how the justice system works in Canada, it did leave an impression on these Girl Guides.
It was kind of fun and sort of scary because, like, you were like sort of under a lot of pressure.
This time I actually got to do it, and it was funny and scary at the same time.
It was cool to see like what they do and what they have to go through to find out if they're guilty or not, but I like how they made it funny for us.
And you went on to write Girl Guide's rule.
The mock trial was one of several activities Saturday highlighting Law Day in Kelowna. Originated by the Canadian Bar Association, Law Day is a national event celebrating the signing of Canada's Charter of Rights and Freedoms. It's also a day aimed at educating and informing the public about the role and importance of the law.
I think the justice system remains a mystery to a lot of people, so just having a chance for people to come down, take a look inside, go inside a courtroom if they haven't been inside a courtroom is a great opportunity for people.
Earlier in the day, the Girl Guides got a first-hand look at how the criminal justice system operates, from being arrested to going to trial.
We came up with some pretend crimes that border on ridiculous. We had the girls commit the crimes and the police arrest them. The sheriffs actually took them all the way through the cells, and then they had a trial before their peers. And the girls tell me after that they've gone through this experience that they actually get to know something about the courts and the law system. Another benefit is they get to see role models and potential careers that they might choose. And being in grade 6, it's a good age to give them those opportunities.
It's just a great chance for the girls to go through the system without actually having to go through the system. Hopefully they never will, and see what a trial actually looks like. We also have a lot of volunteer lawyers that participate, and it's a lot of fun for them as well.
And so what did the girls learn about the whole experience?
That if you do something bad, you're gonna get arrested.
I learned that where you go when you get arrested, like how much space you have and how many people there are in, and it was cramped.
I learned that there was where they held them overnight when they came in here, so.
Obviously, it's not a place you want to be.
No.
Local community groups also took part in the day, including Mad Canada. They set up an interactive display where participants could put on goggles to simulate how their perception changes after consuming alcohol.
That's the first tree that crashed.
And as part of Law Day, BC residents also had an opportunity to speak with a lawyer for 15 minutes for free to discuss questions in any of 6 areas. In Kelowna, for Go Okanagan, I'm Marianne Okel.